like they really want it now. All my party people, we gon' take over the cloud. Girl, you looking right, lil' mama, strike a pose. We about to start the race, on your mark, set, go. We about to go crazy. 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 It's deep prison, getting busy with this great instrument, tizzy. Repetitive in your head like a milli, calling me to go, but I ain't looking like no Billy. You try to still beg, but we still feed it like it's empty. Yeah, let the bass hit, wrap around bracelets. I ain't no for fake shakes, acting high maintenance. Steady what your name is, sweetie, I ain't easy though. Doing good decisions, thinking mighty, meanie, eeny, mo. I ain't playing anymore, feeling kinda flagrant. Okay. Looking like I made it, but I'm still a free agent. Whoa. Put me on the A-list, I rose, call me Jalen. You don't need a hearing aid to really know what I'm saying. Yeah. Fellas still tripping and the ladies looking satisfied. Okay. We be extraordinary, all of you I advertise. Every little rapper compared to me is just rabbit slide. Else to get unsanitized, so tell them all new bag is fried. Like they really want it now. All my party people, we gon' take over the cloud. Girl, you looking right, lil' mama, strike a pose. We about to start the race, on your mark, set, go. We about to go crazy. We about to go crazy. We about to go crazy. We about to go crazy.
I'm just going to give it all I can both ways, and hopefully we make it there and we win the Valley Championship.
Bring the delivery to your door like you bought a pizza. His chick is hot as Jupiter and she got party fever. You going crazy, baby? You're not to blame then. Honey's look at me like I ain't never kissed an Asian. I'm like, little mama, why the hell are you so caged in? Please give me those lips, but girl, don't be infatuated. Boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. We about to wrap it up, cocoon, cocoon. You haters let out too much air like you blew balloons, and your whole career is underwater like scuba tubes. I don't listen to these fakers, I do my dues. I'm going crazy and tonight I'm a goofy dude. Now they ask me how I do it, it's pride, magic, I'm C-R-A-Z-Y, that's it. Looking like they really want it now. All my party people, we gon' take over the cloud. Girl, you looking right, lil' mama, strike a pose. We about to start the race, on your mark, set, go. We about to go crazy. We about to go crazy. We about to go crazy.
Do you have any expectation for the season?
Well, yeah, you know, the spirit of this team is really, really solid. So we think we're going to keep improving. We have a lot of room for improvement. So, you know, Mount Whitney comes next week. That's all we're thinking about right now. But we really like our team because you guys, you saw tonight, they really run around and hustle.
How does it feel to win your first game?
It feels good. We did it last year and now this year. So, I mean, we just got to keep building on it. And we're just going to keep going and keep winning.
Here with Lorente, Apostle number 2. How does it feel to make your first win?
It was great. I've been out for a year. You know what? Making tackles. We just did great out there. We won in the fourth quarter like we've been wanting to do. That's all it takes.
Do you have any expectations for the season?
I expect to go big or go home. We should be winning a lot of games the way we play right now. We'll got to face a lot of mistakes though because we're still a little down.
All right. Well, what do you plan to do after the game?
Go to sleep. I'm tired.